You know what we get a lot? We get a lot of people that are telling you what you're doing wrong. Brother, you did this wrong. In your khutbah, you said this wrong. Brother, you did this wrong. In your talk, you did this wrong. The camera was like this. The sound was like this. This was like this. This was like that. Brother, you need to do this. We say, brother, step up. Come up. Help. Do something. You know, participate yourself. MashaAllah, you see some brothers, they're sadiqun. In everything. In everything good, they're in the front. But then you see, the vast majority of this ummah today, they just sit at home, watching CNN or Fox or one of these news channels and talking about how Saudi is doing this wrong and Pakistan is this and Afghanistan is this and these Muslims are like this and this. And what are you doing yourself? Nothing. Not even making your salah on time. You're sitting there eating haram, whatever, just complaining and looking at faults of others. Some people, they have no durus, but they want to pick faults at any dars going on. Step up and teach a dars then. You know, they're just going to sit back and complain. This is not the way of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam or the Salaf.